Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Today we are in another Throwback Thursday. So that means we're going back in time, back to a trip to Nevada on 2003. You're gonna see a jewel of architecture, and you're gonna see that right after this. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rafael. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell notification so you are notified every time I make a video. This water right behind me, it gives you a clue of where I'm going today. So get ready.
Hey, that's good. Find a place where you can see. This wall right behind us is the dam itself. This power plant goes down the right-hand side of the canyon, facing downstream at least. This is the Nevada power plant wing. We have 8 generators here on this side. And there's another one on the other side of the river. Arizona power plant wing has 9 generators, for a total of 17 generators here at Hoover Dam. Now, it took 60 railroad cars of material and about 3 years to manufacture, assemble, and install each one of those generators. The first one was installed in 1936, and our last generator here at the dam was put in place in 1961. Each one of these units is about 7 stories tall. The top 30 feet is the generator. That's the part we can see. And extend another 40 feet down below floor level to the turbines. And as the water goes through our Francis type turbines, we get 178,000 horsepower from each one. They transfer the energy up to the generator with a 65-foot long shaft that's 38 inches in diameter and weighs 100 tons. You can see it spinning at 180 RPM in the lighted window of that first generator. That shaft spins the rotor, the spinning part of our generator, which weighs 560 tons. So we have over 700 tons of revolving weight in each one of those generators that's being pushed by the force of the water. Now our generators convert the energy from that water into electrical energy. We get 133 megawatts from each one of our generators. That's enough to supply a city of about 100,000 people from each one of these units. Lights you see on top of the generator show those that are in operation at this time. And it's not unusual for one or two of these not to be running. We don't have enough water flow here to run full power 24 hours a day. So we are a peak power station. With all 17 of these generators running, we can produce 2,080 megawatts as a power plant. But we can only do that for a short period each day. And the rest of the time, we have to cut back and conserve the water. California gets 56% of whatever we can produce here at this dam. Nevada gets 25%, and Arizona only 19% of our power. Now we have a smaller generator down the power plant floor that's horizontal. It's surrounded by that aluminum fence. That's called the pelt water wheel generator. There's another one just like that over on the Arizona side. Our two smaller generators give us 2.3 megawatts each, and they make our own power for lights and elevators here at Hoover Dam. Now if you look out towards the top here, painted green are two traveling cranes in each wing, and the second one is way down at the end. Those are bridge cranes. They move on rails in the top edge of the building, and they're used to install and maintain our generators. Each one of those can lift 300 tons. And if we have to take apart one of our generators, we have to hook both of our cranes together so we can lift 600 tons at a time. As you go through the rest of the tour, you'll see a lot of Art Deco influence here. That was popular in the 30s when this dam was built. The transom marble floors we're standing on are an example. These were installed back in 1937 by the Martina brothers family. And they put 121,000 square feet of these marble floors in at a cost of about $60,000. If we tried to build the same floors today, they'd cost over $3 million today. The designs you see on the floors here are copies of American Indian pottery and basket type.
Well, I hope you like this throwback video, and this is Throwback Video Thursdays. So we keep this going until we can travel again. See you next Thursday.